Uri Hashem, c'est Shabbos.
Baruch Hashem, it's Shabbos. Heilige Tayere Shabbos. Once the wine is poured, we become restored. Baruch Hashem, it's Shabbos.
Yossi Weiss. Welcome to Season 2 of Baruch Hashem Shabbos right here on Kosher.com. This season we're going to focus on Shabbos food and take it up a notch. So when your shviga comes over for Shabbos and you want to show off, we'll show you how to do this. I brought a special guest, a super talented chef. Let's do this right now. Chef Uri Elbaum, drum roll! Let's go, Uri, what's up?
Give me a hug. How are you?
How you doing, Uri?
I'm doing fantastic, and you?
Uri's from Argentina, all right? Uri speaks Spanish, and his English has a little accent. It's pretty cool, guys. Trust me. Today, me and Uri are gonna prepare a tuna tartare dish. We have all these ingredients that we can use for this. It's not really a competition, but for this episode. Well, we're gonna have fun with everything over here, and let's see who can come up with the winning dish. We're gonna have some mandatory ingredients that we have to use. One mandatory ingredient is gonna be these Toscanini chili peppers. The second mandatory ingredient is gonna be a surprise. So Uri, you ready?
I'm super ready.
Let's do this.
Let's do it.
Let's shake hands.
Good luck.
Good luck, man. Tuna Tartare, VHIS, Season 2, Episode 1. Uno, dos, tres. Let's go. I don't know if you got what I'm doing now, but I'm making a mayonnaise. Using a little Dijon mustard, a little vinegar, some egg yolks. Uri, what are you doing? Let me see what you're doing.
So right now I'm marinating the tuna. I am doing lime zest. I'm doing a little bit of mayonnaise. I'm doing teriyaki sauce. I'm doing soy sauce, and I'm doing a touch of sesame oil. And you just said that we have to use these amazing chili peppers. So that's what I'm about to use right now. I'm gonna chop them up, throw them inside there. I think that the secret for this tartare is gonna be the lime zest and these chilies.
And my secret is gonna be homemade mayonnaise.
That's next level. All right, so now we're gonna take an egg yolk and we're gonna marinate it in soy sauce. There. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of soy sauce and equal parts of water.
Oh my gosh, how come I don't know about this?
And now this is gonna create a little bit of a harder crust around the egg, and we're gonna put it on top of our tartare.
Hold on a second, how long does that take? Longer than mayonnaise?
Probably not. I googled it. So now we are gonna crush some cheese to create a little bit of crunchiness in our tartare.
Woo! All right, guys, Uri took it away from me. He's not playing around. He doesn't want to wait around for me. That's what I call a good friend. And not only a good chef, he's also a good friend. Oh, beauty. Thank you. Heimliche mayonnaise.
Now we are gonna take a cucumber and we're gonna use, this is one of my favorite tools in the kitchen. These and the tweezers, definitely. It creates beautiful cuts, super even. It's called a mandolin for whoever doesn't know.
So before you continue, this is the surprise, mandatory ingredient. We got the Toscanini chestnuts.
I love
We have the salt and pepper, and we have an original. You choose which one you want.
I go for the salt and pepper one.
Uri, if you don't mind,
Yes,
you chop these up for me.
absolutely.
Thank you very much.
How fine do you want them?
Thank you very much, chef. Nice and fine. Uri, right in here whenever you're ready. Thank you, chef. Tell me, are you gonna use all these cucumbers?
No, you can take.
Okay. So I'm gonna want some mini chopped up cucumbers.
I got you.
All right, are you ready?
Absolutely.
All right.
Let's do it.
Guys, we're gonna do it this way, all right?
Like that?
Here we go.
Okay, let's do it. Wow.
Go ahead.
You got hot salad in the house?
Yeah. Uno, dos, tres, rápido.
10 fingers? Wow. Are you actually gonna use this?
Why not? Have to. Let's use a little bit of the Tuscanini, chestnuts, of salt and pepper.
I'll take some too. Let's do it.
Anybody see my zester?
You wanna use this one or use another one?
Oh yes. I got my homemade mayonnaise. I got the blindfolded cucumbers. I got a little of those mini pickles in there. What else? The little scallions. I got an idea. I'm gonna use some of these Hadar crunchy pickle chips. Sweet with a kick. Avocado. I got this ready. Okay. Then I'm gonna take a little bit of mango. You know what? I think you have to keep yourself busy.
Okay.
Why don't you have a little bit of the Baron Herzog Chardonnay? Here we go. A little mango. I think I'm ready to plate. Almost.
Ready for L'chaim?
Anytime.
Yes.
Baron Herzog.
Very good.
Yeah. I'm gonna do a little bit of soy sauce. Hadar. And a little sesame oil. A few drops. Of course, a little sesame seeds. Yes, and what are you using over there?
Mayonnaise?
I guess the Geffen mayonnaise is better than my homemade mayonnaise.
Yossi, now I'm gonna need your help.
Okay.
So I want to believe that my English is pretty
Don't
good.
do that to me. I knew you were gonna do it.
I don't know how to say this.
This is called Worcestershire sauce. Say it.
Nah, no way.
Oh, you're going for all those sauces. Look at you. What are you making?
We're making a sauce for our tartare, for the base. Oh, you're plating already?
Look at that.
Wow.
Look at these. We have a special Baruch Hashem Shabbos. Yes, coming in. So what are you doing?
I am just building all the parts for the tower. On a batch, I'm just taking here some avocado.
So anything else you have to do, chef?
Oh, I'm ready.
You're ready? You're waiting for me?
Yeah. I'm waiting for that ring you're using. Wow, look at that.
Those Canini thin crackers. Whoa, 1 second. I forgot I have to use, I'm working with a real chef.
Tweezers?
Please, like hello. If it's not this way, then if we're gonna go the other way,
Yeah, are you making fun of me?
the chefs, you gotta go to school to learn how to use a tweezer.
You guys ever took out a tick? That's what you use tweezers for.
As long as you say tweezer.
Oh my god.
Crunch. I like the crunch, chef. Look at him. Look at him. Look at this guy. Arroya ay. Parang Hagiga? What is this? Arroya ay.
I'm almost ready, I promise.
Oh, you're doing that mayo thing? Oh, I'm gonna do my mayo thing. Oh, 1 sec. You know when you go to these restaurants and you got like these. Wow. Oh, you see, I knew he needs a tweezer. Look. We're done?
We're done, there you go.
Chef, we're gonna clean up. We'll
right,
bring a
let's do
taster
it.
in. We'll make this happen. I brought in a good friend of mine, Yitzi Waldner. Yitzi Waldner is, how do you explain who Yitzi Waldner is? Okay.
You don't. You just eat tartare.
Let's do this. Let's do this the nice way, all right? Yitzi Waldner is one of the composers of the famous song Baruch Hashem Shabbos. If you never heard his name, he's also the composer of that Yamamai, right? Let's have some Baron Herzog. Yitzi, you're gonna taste. I'm gonna pour.
Budi katu adino yun. Ay, budi. Go
Good.
Chaim.
Beautiful.
Wow. Beautiful.
Very good wine.
There you go. Delicious. I don't know if you want to start first. I don't know if you know who made what. Let's see if you
Okay.
can guess, okay? He's a professional chef. I'm a kecher. Have fun.
Okay. بوري خطوة لنا العيني من خوالم شحكوني بدوري.
Amen. Listen, this guy can be one of the best composers in the Jewish community, okay? In a minute, I'll let you know if he's a good taster. I'll let you
This is really good. This is really good. A little spicy. Very, very good. I don't know if I'll be able to sing after this. Definitely has a kick.
Let's make a song. Tuna Tartare, Yossi wins. Tuna Tartare,
Okay.
Yossi
Well, now I know which one is yours.
wins.
Okay, so I guess this is yours.
Yes.
I'm going right down here, right?
Yep.
Okay.
You're gonna see how it breaks. There you go.
Beautiful.
Okay. Looks so nice. I feel bad ruining it.
And you should definitely eat that with a chip. The crunchiness really helps.
Okay.
The suspense.
Argentina.
Delicious.
Tartare.
This is really delicious. Really delicious. Come on, help me.
Oh yeah.
Do it. Come on.
Really good.
Actually, I love cooking, but there is one thing that I love more than cooking, and that thing is eating. That's how I got into cooking. People often ask me, why do you cook? How did you get into it? It's such a crazy world. Honestly, I just like to eat great food, and that's what got me into it.
I
Honestly.
think your food winds up in your hands. You go somewhere else by me.
He has these muscles. His little muscles.
Yeah.
All right, let's do this.
They're both delicious, really. I feel we actually complement each other because this is spicy. It's really full of flavor. This is a little bit more mellow, but after you actually eat it, some of the flavor kicks in. This can actually be
talk to me about my tuna tartare.
First of all, presentation is on point. That is beautiful.
Beautiful.
I
It
used
really
the
is.
tweezers. I used the tweezers.
I saw you. That's crazy. What I love also, I love the splashes. Honestly.
That's a punch, but it has a little kick to it.
That is delicious.
Yummy.
I love the capers. I definitely taste the sesame oil. I love that, and the spiciness is just beautiful.
Yum. Thank you. Thank you, Jafuri.
Yeah, thank you for
Thank you, everybody.
Thank you.
Very good. Really good. Beautiful. Very good. Really good. What is the sauce?
Now we need the beauty shop.
Uri Hashem, se Shabbos.